In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator with Binance. Let's launch the Binance app. In the top left corner, tap on the three vertical lines. In this menu, tap on your profile. On the profile page, tap on Security. In the Security menu, tap on Authenticator app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Enable. Here you will get a setup code and a QR code, but for security purposes, I am partially blurring the codes. Tap on Copy to copy the setup code. Now close the app and launch the Google Authenticator app. In the bottom right corner, tap on the plus icon. In this menu, tap on Enter a setup key. In the key section, paste the code you copied from Binance. Now you have to give a name to it. Let's name it Binance. After you are done, click on Add. Here you can see our code is generating. Press and hold the code to copy the code from here, go back to Binance and tap on Next. Now paste the code here. Remember that Google Authenticator generates a new code every 30 seconds, so you have to use the right code at the right time, otherwise it will not work. After you are done, tap on Submit. Here you can see that the Authenticator is linked with your Binance account now. From now on, whenever you try to log into your account, you will have to provide the Authenticator code.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.